Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing a product review and we will be reviewing the Mix-Art Black stand bowl mixer by Russel Hobbs. It currently retails for an average price of 1,800. In the box you will find the manual, which comes with a few recipes inside of it as well. It also comes with 3 different mixing heads. It comes with a mixing bowl which has a capacity of 4.5 liters and also a detachable lid, and then the main frame itself, which is the mixing frame. So basically from the box, it's quite quick and easy for you to assemble. In order for you to open this mixer, you just need to press the button on the side, and then in order for you to close it, you'll plunge the same button and then you will just push it down to seal it closed. So what makes this mixer very nice and unique is the 3 mixing heads that it comes with. The first one is the kneading head, which you would probably or most probably use for when you're making bread, your steamed bread or pizza. And then the next one would be a balloon whisk, which you'll use to whisk your ingredients together. And then lastly, it's the creaming attachment. And what's really nice about these attachments is they come with these attachments on top of a stem, which is quick and easy for you to be able to install. It's not a professional mixer, but it is really simple and easy to use for people like me and you who don't want anything complicated. You just basically stick it in and lock it in, and you can see that the mixing head is also tilted, so it allows it to move freely around the bowl. The same way you put it in is the same way you will be able to take it out. It's quick and easy. The bowl is also quick and easy to remove, which is an added advantage because you don't have to be creating a mess in your kitchen or also making yourself dirty. As well as the lid, you can also remove that, which is a good feature because it's making it easier for you to clean. And also, if you would like to rest your dough mixtures, you can definitely do that inside the same mixing bowl. It is also very easy for you to snap back on after you've completed your mixing, or you would like to return to doing a different mixing step, or just after you clean it. The other feature that I absolutely love about this mixer is the suction cups that come at the bottom. This just makes sure or ensures that your mixer is stable and it doesn't shake or move around on your surface. It's also nice when you are storing it on your countertops because you know for a fact, especially like me, if you've got a toddler or anything, they will not be able to just move it off the counter. The other feature that I absolutely love on the lid is this movable portion, which enables you to pour ingredients while you are busy mixing, so that's an added plus. And on top of that, you have variable speeds for the different mixing head. You have minimum and maximum, and it also comes with a pulsing selection. So what I love the most about this mixer is it's very compact. It is 4.5 liters, but it does not occupy a lot of space in your kitchen. You can definitely have it displayed on your counter. It definitely also goes with some of the other appliances that I have in my kitchen, and it does not occupy any space. The only con that I can say I have about this mixer is while you're mixing, you do sometimes have to do manual intervention between your mixing, just to make sure that you scrape the things on the side with a spatula so that they do form part of the overall mixing process. But other than that, I absolutely love this mixture. I hope you guys enjoyed this product review, and also if you just bought one, I hope I assisted you in knowing what to do with your mixer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next recipe. Bye.